Hey everyone, it's Mr. Lens coming to you again through the power of the internet. Today I wanted to show you how to add and delete rows when you're working in a table in Google Docs. So I've got my research note-taking document open for NHD, and I've got a table here. And let's say I'm working with a source that has a lot of helpful information. So one of the things that I can do is, if these 4 rows that I've provided with you are not enough, you can highlight your row and you can right click and you insert a row below or above, and that's how you add rows if you need them. But let's say you're working with a source where you can't find too much information. So what you need to do then is select all the rows by highlighting the ones that you do not want, and you right click again, and instead of selecting insert, this time you're going to delete. And make sure you're deleting the row and not the column. Rows go left and right on the x-axis, columns are on the y-axis. They go up and down. So I'm going to delete that row, and we're kind of back to where we were. So that is how you add and delete rows when you're working in tables in a Google Doc. I'll see you in the next one.